Do you have back pain as an online business owner? I'm talking about e-commerce, I'm talking about dropshipping, I'm talking about Amazon FBA, agency work, whatever it is, whatever online business that you're into, do you have back pain? If you're suffering back pain, this is a video for you. Because I myself have back pain. I have herniated discs, I have like disc degeneration, I have stenosis, I have this thing called spondylolisthesis. I don't even know the actual term. It's a mouthful, right? I also have scoliosis, I have like sciatica. The list goes on and on, man, right? I just have a list of issues with my spine. Not just my lower back, but my cervical region as well, which is my neck as well. Yeah, so I've like herniated this, all those good stuff, man. Good stuff, more like all those bad stuff. How did I get that is mainly being contributed by being desk bound. So meaning to say work and meaning to say online business work. Because I've been in the online business world for a couple of years right now. And I've been, like I said, desk bound for the longest period of time. And I believe there was one day, where I was sitting down, and then when I was getting up, I just felt a sudden pain in my lower back area. And then that's where everything else just basically went down for, right? That's where I started having more and more issues. It's mainly because of me just sitting for many, many hours and not exactly doing lower back work, lower back direct work, meaning to say that I'm not exactly strengthening the muscles over there. Yeah. Because for the longest period of time, I've been bodybuilding, correct? I've been doing sports as well, but I haven't been exactly directly working out for my lower back muscles. Or just like, the core in general. Core meaning to say that the 360 muscles, right? The front of it all, which is like the abs area, right? And then the obliques, which is your sides, and then your lower back area, which is your back of it. Right? So you need to work 360, not just one side. We can't just isolate one side. We need to be working all of them as a whole. So all of them will be working in unison, and it's going to protect you. It's kind of like wearing a brace, but you have to make your own brace, right? So it's very important, especially if we are, if we are always desk bound, if you're always sitting down, if you have office job even. I mean, this doesn't exactly just applies to online business owners, but wherever you have a job that requires you to be seated for a prolonged period of time, this video might be for you, right? Maybe I'm thinking about giving you guys some advice, like what I've been through and what I've been doing and how I feel right now. If you're suffering back pain, or maybe you have like symptoms, or maybe you have signs of back pain, it's never too late to start working out on your lower back. Directly lower back. Because like I said, for me, I've been lifting for longest period of time. I've been working around, all those show muscles, meaning to say that, the chest, the back, the biceps, the arms, the shoulders, all this good stuff, right? But we rarely talk about the lower back. We rarely talk about the core. We rarely talk about the obliques, right? We always talk about, the abs, and that's it. Full stop. We don't really talk about anything else more than the abs. So this video is, it's just a video to remind you guys to not just focus on the show muscles, but also to focus on your core muscles, your lower back. All right. So if you have those issues like me, herniated discs, all those bad stuff, right? Please start working on your lower back. Meaning to say, hyperextensions. So that's what I've been doing. That is what I've been doing. I've been doing a lot of hyperextensions on the machine, right? On the bench thingy. I'm pretty sure you guys know, if you guys go to the gym, right? Maybe you guys are neglecting that machine. You need to show that machine some love, man. Alright? You cannot be ignoring it. Because that machine, you will thank that machine. Just like how I'm thanking the machine now. Right? I'm like indebted to it. And of course, not just a lower back. You also have to be training your, the supporting muscles, the surrounding muscles. Maybe your hips area, your glutes, your ass basically. And then like your outer thigh, your inner thigh, all those muscles that's being surrounded. That's surrounding that's near your lower back. Yeah, near your spine. Yeah, all those muscles actually play a vital role in your lower back health as a whole. If you guys want like a more detailed, a more in-depth video about how I actually go about saving my lower back, right? Basically, comment down below. Comment down below and let me know if you guys want a more in-depth video, and ask me questions. What kind of content you guys want me to make in regards to maybe this topic. Yeah, because I have like a lot to say, right? I have a lot to say when it comes to this topic. Because right now, I'm still actively trying to rehab. I'm still actively trying to make things better for me when it comes to my lower back. I mean, I just got done working out, right? I just got done working out. I was training shoulders. And then I went for a walk. I went for a 30-minute walk on a treadmill. Nothing crazy. Just to, mobilize the spine, to send in good nutrients into the spine, rehydrate the discs. And then, just to have, motion, movement, get your steps in as well. That's always important, right? To get your steps in. Yeah. And then I did some foam rolling as well earlier on. So I hope that helps. I hope that it is not exactly linked to my lower back issues. Because right now I'm suffering from sciatica. It's like a constant thing. Every single day, every single minute, every single second. I'm always like, feeling something on my left leg. I'm always feeling something on my left leg. It's very, very annoying. Very, very annoying. Sometimes it even disturbs my sleep. It sucks. Sometimes I even wake up with a numb leg. It sucks, right? So I'm really, really trying to figure things out, what I should be doing and what I shouldn't be doing as well. It's a journey, man. It's a journey. And I do not want you guys to go through it. Especially since all of you guys are very into online business. You guys are really into, trying to make a living online, right? But sometimes we kind of like neglect our health, which is what I did. I've been sitting for so long, not throwing in any movement, taking my health for granted. And now I'm paying the price, right? I'm paying a very hefty price for my lower back. Yep. So sciatica is one of the main issues. It may or may not be from piriformis. They call it the piriformis syndrome, whereby your piriformis muscle, which is like around your ass area, right? It kind of like gets so tight that it kind of like compresses the sciatic nerve. Right? It compresses the sciatic nerve, which causes all these weird ass symptoms like a tingling feeling, weakness, some really dull, uncomfortable feeling throughout my entire left leg. It's very, very annoying. Very, very annoying. So if any of you guys actually have this issue, right? And if you guys have the solutions for me as well, if you guys actually recover from it, let me know as well down in the comment section. Help others, help me as well, right? I'm not an expert. I'm not claiming to say that, I've got it all figured out. I mean, it was like in phases, sometimes, back then, I kind of like had issues with my lower back specifically directly. And I kind of like, fingers crossed, right? Knock on wood. I kind of like gotten over it, right? I did some stuff to get over it. And then right now it's like, right now the main thing that I'm suffering from is the left leg, the sciatica issue. Yeah. So what I was trying to say is that I was doing the foam rolling, right? I was trying to stretch out the piriformis muscle, I guess, or just my glutes in general, and my back, my lower back and my mid back. Yeah, that was what I was doing. Hopefully I see some relief. Because I've also been doing physiotherapy as well by myself, right? I'm not like going for some other. I'm not paying money to go to a physiotherapist. Yeah, I'm just like doing the things that I learned online, and I'm just applying it to my gym sessions. That's it. I bought a program as well. Okay, it's too much information. Alright, it's too much information for one video. So let me know if you guys are interested in this topic. I'll be more than happy to share with you guys, the solutions, the problems that I had. I can be very specific. I even went to a chiropractor once. Yeah. Sorry, not once. I signed up for a package. There's a whole different story. That's all I gotta say. Alright guys, so like I said, if you're an online business owner and if you're suffering from back pain, start training your lower back and start getting your steps in. These are the main two things that I can, strongly recommend. I'm a big advocate of that. Before you guys go for any form of medical intervention, when you say that, going under the knife, right? I'm pretty sure most of you guys do not want that. You guys do not want to go to have surgery for your lower back pain. Or if you guys I'm pretty sure most of you guys also don't want to have any form of epidural injection. Epidural steroid injection. I believe that's what it's called. I believe that is something to numb your discs or the nerve. I'm not too sure. I think the injection is supposed to numb the nerve around your disc so that you will not feel any symptoms. But it's only temporary. I may be wrong, right? I may be wrong. But that is what I researched upon. So all of this stuff is quite scary, right? Like any form of, things going into your body. I'm pretty sure most of you guys don't want that. Me too, right? So in order to prevent that, start with exercises first. Basically physical therapy, right? Physiotherapy. This is what I'm doing right now. Yeah, so don't wait until it's too late, until more and more issues happen, then you regret, like me. So yeah, if you guys want more information about this, let me know down in the comment section down below, and let's just stay healthy. That's all I gotta say. Money is important, right? Money is most definitely important, but health is even more important.